Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Gumloop and Lindy. Gumloop and Lindy are emerging AI assistant platforms designed to help with productivity. Gumloop is a user-friendly AI tool that helps people create custom workflows without knowing how to code. The interface is clean and the learning curve isn't too steep once you get the basics down. It provides a starter plan at $97, the Pro plan at $297, and a customizable enterprise plan for specific needs. You can customize logic, connect with other tools, and even add AI responses using GPT. However, it's still a newer platform, so not all integrations are perfect yet, and some features feel a bit in beta. Lindy is like having your own smart virtual assistant that helps you stay on top of your work without feeling overwhelmed. It can handle your emails, schedule meetings, and even follow up on tasks all through a simple chat interface. It's especially helpful for busy professionals, founders, or anyone juggling lots of daily tasks. The setup is smooth, and once connected to your Gmail and tools like Notion or Slack, it works like magic. Lindy provides a Pro plan at $49, the Business plan at $299, and a customizable custom plan. However, since it's still in early access, some features may feel limited or need polishing. Overall, Lindy is better for personal productivity and daily task automations, while Gumloop is better for building custom AI tools and workflows. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.